Alright, this part here, trying how to improve the torque for this mechanism. So I thought of getting a small little gear here, right, to give it a bigger torque. Alright, so I'm going to have this and connect to the bevel gear so that well, we have the motor connected at the side or over this side as well. Alright, let's see how whether it increase the torque by using this little gear here. Okay, so we're going to have a 2 bevel gears also attached here. Alright, looks okay. Now putting on the bevel gear. So we have a configuration, okay. Well, it turns as well. So we're going to try attaching the small gear, alright, to this big gear over here. Looks okay. Okay, so now I can have my driver, the motor connected at this point here, or I can have my motor connected at this point here. Alright, so that's why the bevel gear, alright, to have the conversion of motion at 90 degrees. So now we have got our big gear, small gear that will improve the torque, alright, and the conversion of the direction of the motion using the bevel gear. Okay, it seems to be working fine. Alright, thank you.